If you ever feel, yun, katulad po na sinabi ko kanina, yung pinaka-mensahe po na gusto ko sabihin sa The Boy Who Cried Wolf or yung una short film is parang ang dami kasing perspective dito. We all play in this world full of perspectives, and until na makita niyo yung mga nooks and crannies, yung mga sides and corners, makita niyo yung mga side ng bawat isa, always choose to be kind. Kasi madalas kapag may mga situations nagre-react agad tayo sa based on our emotions, pero hindi natin alam kung may pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa, kung ano yung ano ba, kung dahilan kung bakit nila nagawa yung mga bagay-bagay. So ayun, as much as possible, you have your truth, but don't forget to like check on the sides and the corners and the nooks and crannies para anong sa ganon, ayun, di ba? Happy lahat. Always used to be kind. Yan po. This is called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Enjoy this lesson. Everybody telling that the wolf is dead. Ain't nobody telling when the wolf is dead. And because of that, the wolf is going mad. 'Cause there's nobody who will let you understand. Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead. Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead. And maybe all these babies just because I'm scared. 'Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared. So face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie I'm trying to hide. Now, this is getting out of hand. Ang aking mga paa na may nanginginig, na malamig ang kapubila na sa aking tinig. Halos mapatulan ang ako ng litid, kahit pilit ko pang isarang mga matay. time na daw, naputol na yung kuryente. Ayun po, maraming salamat. Sana po na-enjoy niyo po yung tonight, yung short film.
Thank
Ayun
you,
po,
ma'am!
iwan ko po, be a blessing to everyone. Always just to be kind. Maraming salamat po. This has been Pablo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am! Thank you!
Muli, palakpakan po natin ang ating pinuno na si Pablo.
Namatay?
Grabe.